Upon a time, in a small village, there was a girl called Amina. She is just 8 years old when she lost her father and her mother. Amina became an orphan. She had no brothers, no sisters. No one wanted to take care of her. She slept outside under a tree in village. Every morning, she walked to the market. She begged for food. Some people gave her bread. Some shouted at her, but Amina never gave up. She smiled even when she was hungry. One day, a kind woman saw her. The woman took her home, gave her food, clothes, and sent her to school. Amina was happy again, never stopped hoping, even in pain.